Mr. Ganesan, all trustee members, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, well-wisher and dear children. It gives me immense to welcome you all to this school annual calendar 2026. I feel honored and delighted to present the annual report of academic year 2025-26.
Our institution motto is to fulfill the aim and dream of the beloved founder Sriman K. Mahadeva Guruji. Our founder started his career in the poor financial circumstance from the rural area, and finally he placed himself as the national award winner as the best teacher. His aim and thought to promote the students from the rural as the good citizens with good education and to empower them to break the social and economic barrier. Mahadeva Guruji Vidyashram CBSE School in Thiruvannamalai village is doing its work to fulfill our founder's motto. Mahadeva Guruji Samarpan Education and Charitable Trust was started in the year 2019 to start education institution in village with 5 members to satisfy our founder's extreme education service trust. Our trustees are Sri M. Ganeshan, Chairman and Managing Trustee, Sri R. Arunachalam, Senior Trustee and Advisor, Srimati Lalita Arunachalam Trustee, Sri P. Ramakrishnan Secretary, Srimati Anuradha Ramakrishnan Trustee, Srimati G. Vijay Trustee, Sri Teju Vignesh Trustee. The academic year 2025-26 that will go down in history as a turning point. Our relentless pursuit of excellence has yielded a crowning achievement. I'm thrilled to announce that Mahadeva Guruji Vidyashram has officially received affiliation number as 1931775. His achievements validated holistic development, making a new era of excellence for Mahadeva Guruji Vidyashram and providing quality education and nurturing future leader. You don't have to be a great to start, but you have to start to be great. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of Endeavour, all educator academic institution. We are proud to acknowledge that we had good result achievement in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities during this session. The system of result analyzes the rigorous at our school. We conduct pre-PD examination and 2-term examination. We conduct regular parent-teachers meeting of all grades to have interface communication between teachers, students, parents for analyze the result. No matter how magnificent a school is, its methodology is the process of payment and bringing out the result. We wish to begin with our performance as an academic friend. Achieving excellence is the heart of our endeavor as educator. We're happy to share the glad news that offering month of our place for the board examination. Our students of 10 who have paid for the 2024 to 2022 in board examination passed with flying colors. They achieved 100% result. Mahadeva Guruji Vidyashram is blessed with the state-of-the-art of infrastructure that support a dynamic and encouraging learning environment for students. The school is equipped with modern, well-designed laboratories that cater to the academic need of students as per as CBSE guidelines. The computer lab is equipped with the latest computer and software, providing students with the tools they need to excel in information technology and digital literacy. The lab is designed to support both individual and collaborative learning. For mathematical labs is specially designed for hands-on learning, where students can actively engage with mathematical concepts. The lab includes a range of learning aids, models, and tools that enhance the understanding of abstract mathematical ideas through practical application. The lab is equipped with a high-quality apparatus for various experiments, well stocked with model microscope and specimen related to the CBSE curriculum. All necessary instrument, chemical and safety features to provide students with a practical understanding of chemical reaction and experiment. The well-stocked library with reference book related to subject, journal, magazine, periodical newsletter, fiction, etc. Help the young mind to widen their knowledge. This year, we upgraded our library with more books. The extracurricular activities Mahadeva Guruji are progressing especially well. Our students actively participate in a wide range of activities including karate, silambam, keyboard, yoga, classical dance, chess and etc. The school has implemented as a reading assessment program, assessing all students from grade 1 to 9. Students have been categorized based on the reading level and enabling target support and improvement. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from unity. The students at the school are divided into 4 different houses: Arjuna, Kelatna, Gayasan and Dronacharya. The maximum number of students participated in inter-house activities. The investor ceremony was 13th July 2025. The day when the newly elected leaders were given all the responsibilities. Aditya and Purvika are being elected as the president and the vice president of the school cabinet. The investor ceremony held with great dignity and grandeur marked the formal election of the elected school representative. The Honorable Guest, Sri Srimati M.S. Sugandhi, Management Block Education Officer, presented badges on the newly elected leaders. NGV family comprises of 20 well-trained, well-experienced, dedicated teaching staff and 5 supporting staff. We truly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone. Apart from the various core subject teachers, we have dynamic teachers for physical education, yoga and dance. As a part of the enrichment program, various workshops and seminars are periodically organized throughout the year of the overall development and enhancement of skilling teacher and students. Our school teachers attend the gender-sensitive awareness program at Delta School in Tiruvarur. Our school students participate in the Meetikol Vignani program conducted by Pudiyai Library Channel. Students appearing at the board exam are guided and motivated by the school counselor, Mr. Ramakrishnan sir, regarding their career choices. A workshop on board exam preparation was conducted. Health is a real wealth and hygiene is the key to protect it. Good health of students is a primary concern of school. As a 6-monthly routine health checkup program is organized by the school to assure the right consultation and treatment. Sports teaches how to lose, but it also teaches how not to be a loser. Sports play a vital role in instilling among the irrepressible learner values that would hold them in a good state throughout their lives, such as discipline, team spirit, sportsmanship, etc. Our students participated in our sports day celebration conducted on 12th February 2026. Teacher, parent and school management committee work in unison for the smooth functioning of the school. Time to time, parent-teachers meetings are held to assess the students' progress. We are proud to announce that more than 96 of our parents formed the entrance for the teacher celebration, sharing the happy moment together and spreading joy all around is the vital aspect of NG, which we follow every year religiously. Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Diwali, Pongal, Christmas and other important festivals are celebrated with a great system foundation. The Independence Day, Children's Day, Teachers Day, Yellow Day and Republic Day were celebrated with a great reverence and fervor. The inter-house match plus dance and speech competition Independence Day was held with great spirit and enthusiasm on August 15, 2025. The chief guest of the day was Mr. Ganeshan sir, the correspondent of the school. The perfect body, orchestra and amazing assembly, stage reference and NTL to our beloved teacher, the music and dance performance. The assembly ground filled with respect, ardor and marvel. The celebration of Diwali, the festival of light, came alive at NGV on 16th October. The assembly concluded with principal assisting students to take oath and celebrate green and clean Diwali and giving away the message of clean, peaceful and brighter Diwali. Various competitions were held for the students in this year. It was open to all students. All students had participated by empowering their talent. We conducted a student-led conference SLC program for all level students. It was presented as a successful conference that fostered students' ownership of their learning, improvement communication skill, and encouraged reflection on goal setting. As part of our school commitment to environmental stewardship, we held a tree plantation drive on 26th December, recognizing that planting is the only the step our Eco Club students participate enthusiastically planting over the sapling. With the intent of bringing the real-life practical knowledge into classroom experience and school curriculum, Mahadev Gurji Vidyashram organized a field trip to the Narasaram for the primary and upper primary students 21st February. Through the visit, it would help the students to acquire knowledge about the architecture. Learning gives you creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, knowledge makes you great. In conclusion, Mahadev Gurji Vidyashram continues to provide a nurturing and stimulating environment. As we move forward, we remain committed to fostering academic excellence, emotional well-being, creativity and physical health in our students. We extend our gratitude to the management, staff, students and parents for their continued support in making the academic year a resounding success. I hope you are enjoying the cultural program presented by our students and your evening with us the pleasurable one. It is not joy that makes us the grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. Together we can be good. Thank you.
Wow, what a